Hi everybody, it's Robin and I'm here with Nameless, and this was requested, and so I'm just gonna do it for you guys. So I'm gonna do a Punaicorn. So I guess it's a poo and a unicorn mixed together. And so if you Google Punaicorn, P-O-O-N-I-C-O-R-N, right?
Yep.
Punaicorn, okay. And I have all of the neons all mixed together. Here we go. So I have neon pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. And then I added white to each one to make them pastel and pop under the color. And I have these painted Peacefully Me by Dazzle Dry. And then I have them tipped with MDJ Creations called Hummingbird. So this is a hollow teal. And I am going to do the blue one on one finger. And I'm going to do the pink one on the other finger so that they look like boy and girl Punaicorns. And so I'm going in and making a triangle-ish thing. Okay, I'm going to do this fast so that you guys can see how to do it really. Okay, the next one is, it's almost like doing a snowman. So if you want to, go into my Christmas playlist and get snowman, and then you can get better idea of how to do it. But just get like there and get a nice little thing like this. Then add a little bit of white to that blue, the light blue. Add a little bit and make it a little bit lighter. And then touch in to the center, and that will give it dimension and make it 3D. I'm trying to get the white in here. Okay. So while the paint is still wet, you can kind of like mush it around like this and make it into like this 3D little swab of unicorn, of poo. So, and every time I say it, I want to go Punaicorn. The Punaicorn. I watch this YouTube channel called Ownage Pranks, and he just showed his face, and for anybody who watches it, like that's like a big deal. So that's in memory of, in honor of him showing his face. Okay, so I'm gonna do like a little eyes. See, I'm still working in wet paint, and anytime you can just go off and let it dry. But okay, so there. Now there's a tuft of hair, and the tuft of hair is a rainbow. So thanks. And so I'm just gonna do a little boom, yeah, or pink. Okay, and it goes in a circle. Yellow. And it's just gonna be little tiny little slobs of hair. Green. And then maybe some purple. Okay, now out of that, there's a little yellow unicorn, what is that?
Little horn.
Thank you.
A corn horn.
Corn horn on a poop. All right, when I started YouTube, I didn't think this was going to be happening, but here it is. Okay, so I'm going to pull it up like this. And of course, they're going to run together a little bit because I'm a little working on wet paint. Okay, I'm going to let this dry and then start with part 2 when I come back. All right, while this unicorn dries, I'm going to go ahead and make the rainbow. So I have the pink, and I'm just going to go, and it's very hard to get this so perfect under these conditions because I'm in a weird position. But I'm taking my wand. Actually, you can use your unicorn brush if you want to make these stripes. Okay, yellow, green, blue. Oh, that's a little bit light because I lightened it up for the poo. Carl. Purple, and the purple I put on top here. And then with white, I'm going in and I'm dotting like this, taking my brush, going up and down, then across and across. And of course this is all done quickly for tape, but you guys can take all the time you want at any angle you want, and so you can get it just perfect. And then you kind of make a diamond and pull up. And if it's not giving you a diamond effect, you can go back and just dot it. So I would go dot and then dot, 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 dot. And that makes like a little ding When you're done, the ding is like that across them all. And then the unicorn should be dry. Yes. Okay, so we'll go back to the unicorn. And let me zoom in a little because that doesn't look, it's not translating. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to go back in with another coat of yellow to make it all perfect. Oh, mundo. And then go back in with white and finish it in. And if you need to go around the eyes, or if you want to do it like a cartoon character, that's fine. You can do it before or after. I'm going to show you how to do it after. So I'm taking the blue and I'm adding a tiny, tiny bit of black to around the blue of the eyes. And like that. Dot, 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 dot. This. And then that way, if you have anything that isn't perfect or perfected, then you can do it like that. And then I'm going to go around the poo like this. And then like this. And then color it in up to the line with the darker blue, so that you can give it any shape that you wish. Then lastly, I will go in with the eyes, like, hey. Oh, Lord, look at that. Okay, like that. And then I will go. Mine's gonna be like, what the heck is up with you guys? This is the boy poo. Okay, now with the just okay, because I can see him better now, I can add hair around his horn, and I can add, okay, black to some of the yellow. I'm gonna add, and then do the little unicorn thing. That's okay. Oh, I guess my son's going to the hospital.
Okay.
Right on. My son has an infection on his face. He's back from college.
What a little treat that was.
Never ends. Last night I was like, are you going to the hospital? He said, no. Well, yes you are. You saw it. Mm-hmm. Okay, so here
Sounds
we go.
worse than it looks.
Yeah, it is.
Sounds way worse than it looks.
My son has really bad eczema, so you have to take care of that right away or else it gets bad. Anyway. Okay. That. Okay, see? That's how I did all of this on purpose so you guys that are struggling could see. So now with the light blue, I'm going up around the eyes, and do you see how that shores it all up? That's what I want you guys to do. Like you can shore it up. If you're having any problems, then you go in with the little white and make that dot it really, really little, dot, 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 dot. It makes the eyes really, really perfect. Okay. So that way, if you guys like mess up the first time and you scream and you're like, oh no, I messed it up forever. Nope. You just keep on working it and don't be scared.
Layers.
Layers. It's a work of art. Let me see. Oh, I'll find it again. Okay, so
My bad.
it's all good. And then I'm gonna go like this. I was looking at a Punaicorn on my phone. Okay. Then I'm just gonna go like this and just kind of like make it. Okay. Where it goes like the shine on one side only, and so that it looks, oh well, maybe on the cheek. There we go. Yeah, that's awesome. Now, a lot of people are not going to know what this is, but those who do are going to freak out. So it's like kind of like one of those things, like if you don't know what it is.
I had no idea, but now I know.
I just want to say this. I didn't either. And I said, you know what? Here is your chance. It's June, and June is a slow month, so you guys can make a request. And they all said, like a couple people said Punaicorn, and I looked at it, and I'm like, oh yeah.
This is happening.
The nameless will wear a Punaicorn. Nameless was built to wear a Punaicorn.
As long as you put rainbows on it.
Yeah. She hasn't had rainbows in a while, y'all, so thank you. Okay, and then I'm going to go in and shore up its eyeball so that he sticks out. And I'm going to give the girl one eyelashes so she looks really cute. And maybe I'll leave more of her hair pink. And then lastly, I will go in and dot the eye. Boop. Boop.
Oh my gosh.
Darling. Dot, 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 all the way down so it looks shiny. Now I'm going to work on the bright yellow so that it comes out more, but you get the general idea. I'm going to finish and I'll meet you back. Okay, so here is our Punaicorns, everybody. So anyways, I hope you guys like this. Here's the girl and here's the boy, and I put the little eyelashes on the girl, and of course she's way easier because I'm just moving the hand any which way. And when you do the basic steps and follow along, you get it. So and if you're having any problems, just kind of do a snowman with a pointy head, and you can see tons of snowmen in the Christmas playlist. But if you try these, please hashtag me inspired by Robin Moses so that I can see them and so that we can share and make the nail art community that does hand painted nail art a fun one, and one that's welcoming, and one that everybody just really loves and respects. It's really awesome. And so anyways, we are growing and everybody is sharing more, and I'm getting like lots of love and lots of like really cool comments, and so I just want to say thank you for all that, and I'll see you back with more. Wands, brushes, robinmosesnailart.com. This one's the wand, and where is it? Let me get it. Wait a minute. There is the unicorn. The unicorn is called the unicorn because it's a striping brush and it's all sable. It works wonderful. So anyways, you guys, have fun, and I'll see you back with more. Bye. Bye. Oh, thumbs.
Where am I at?
Bling. Aw, they're so cute. I think I might put these in playlists with rainbows too. So what's that with the shamrocks? This would be a great one for St. Patrick's Day if you replace this with shamrocks. Anyway, just idea. Bye everyone.
Bye.
Boop. Oh my god, I just started it. It's Poonerific.
Oh no.
I'm gonna leave this in.